BS4568 BS EN 61386 GI conduit used to protect and route electrical wiring in a building or construction. RIFI BS4568 BS EN 61386 GI conduit made of Q195 Q235 low-carbon steel. Surface treatment of Class 3 pre-galvanized and Class 4 hot-dip galvanized, two kinds. Standard size 20 mm, 25 mm, 32 mm, 40 mm, 50 mm. Thickness 1.1 mm to 1.6 mm as optional color, powder coated available. We have strict quality control, very reasonable prices, and a wealth of export experience. Whether you are an importer, wholesaler, or engineer, if you are considering importing from China, choosing RIFI must be the right choice. Welcome to inquire us now.